Welcome back. I'm glad you're still here with us. If you're here, that means you have already taken a huge step. You are here because you're ready to do something about the pain, the uncertainty, or the distance you have been feeling, both in your relationship and in your own heart. And that is powerful. You might be wondering, will therapy really work out for me? I think it's completely natural to feel uncertain, especially when you're not sure what to expect from the process. But here's the truth, the therapy works. It works because it's not just about talking through the problems, it's about the real transformation. Think of it like tuning up a car. Over time, things start to wear it down. Your car's performance slows and you don't ignore it. You take the action, you upgrade, and you get that car running again like a new. So, the therapy works in the similar fashion. It works same for your mental health and for your relationship. It helps you clear out those emotional blockages and the old patterns, and it allows you to feel more at peace and connected, both with yourself and with your partner. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it really takes and how can I be sure that it will work out for me? The sooner you start, the sooner you heal. Think about it like this. The longer you carry an emotional baggage, the heavier it gets, and the more unresolved hurts or the stresses from work and the family pressure and the relationship tension you hold on to, the harder it becomes to move forward. Now, this therapy helps you unpack that baggage. So, the sooner you start unpacking, the faster you feel lighter. And not just lighter, you feel clearer and more capable of facing the life's challenges with more confidence. Another question that may come to you is, will therapy truly work out for me? I guarantee that it will. Not because it's a quick fix, but because with the right guidance and your commitment, the therapy will provide you the tools to create a long lasting change. Just like you invest in the other important aspects of your life, like your health, your career, your happiness, investing in therapy is investing in your mental health. We have helped over 12,000 couples with a 96% of our clients seeing improvements, and we have been trusted for over 9 years to guide people through these exact struggles. It's not just about marriage. It's about helping you build a life of emotional peace, inner strength, and deeper connection with your partner. Now, let's talk about another important aspect, that is the cost of therapy. Many people worry about the price tag, and we totally understand that. But think of it like this. What is the value of the peace of mind, the emotional well being, and a relationship where you truly feel understood and loved? Now, I don't think you were able to think of it, right? So, think of therapy like it's not an expense, it's an investment. It's an investment in your mental health and your happiness and the future of this relationship. It's much like subscribing to a service that gives you the access to the tools and support you need to live a more fulfilling life. Just like, paying for a streaming service that brings you the endless value, therapy brings you the endless rewards in emotional peace and stronger relationships. Now, here's a thought. If you could just invest 2% of your wedding budget into the therapy, imagine what it could do for your marriage and your mental well being. More understanding, better communication, deeper love, and confidence to face the life's challenges together. I repeat, together. Isn't that worth it? Now, research shows that the emotionally focused couple therapy has a 76% of success rate. And with our experience, we can help you see even the better results. So, the therapy isn't just about fixing the problems, it's about creating a better version of yourself and a better version of your relationship. The benefits are not short lived. they are lifelong and far outweigh the costs that you can think of. So, the sooner you take the action, the sooner you can start experiencing all these changes that we are talking about. So don't wait for things to get harder. The emotional clarity, the peace of mind, and the deeper connection you deserve are within your reach. We are here to help you in every step of the way. So reach out. Thank you.